Hi, I'm going to give you a walkthrough to my new dance, Last Night Lonely. This is 32 counts, 4 walls. There's 2 restarts in it. I'm going to call this an improver. It's pretty easy steps. The music is by John Party. The song is the same name. So I'm going to go through it with the cues and then the counts, and then I'll show you where the restarts happen. Section 1. We start with a wizard step. So step forward on the right, lock the left behind, step forward on the right, step forward on the left, lock the right behind, step forward on the left. 2 heel switches, touching the right heel forward, stepping on it, touching the left heel forward, stepping on it. Finish with a half pivot to the left, stepping forward on the right, half turn, weight going to the left. We start the next section with a quarter turn to the left, stepping to the side with the right. We do a weave, taking the left behind, right to the side, left going across. Then we're going to rock and cross to reverse our momentum. So we rock the right to the side, recover the weight to the left, and cross the right over. We're going to do a hinge turn to the right. So we're going to do 2 quarter turns, stepping back on the left, and then stepping the right to the side with a cross shuffle, taking the left across, right to the side, left across. The next section, we step the right to the side, we do a touch, and we step onto our left. We do a quarter turn sailor, so we sweep the right behind as we turn, stepping the left to the side, stepping the right forward. We're going to make a half pivot with an extra step, so we step forward, half turn to the right, and then we step forward onto the left. 2 kickball changes for the last section. Kicking the right step, step. We're going to point the right behind and unwind 3/4 turn to where our left shoulder is. Weight going to the right, and we're going to finish with a rock and cross. So we rock the left to the side, weight recovered to the right, stepping the left across, and then we continue. So let me go through the counts on this. In the third section, we actually go into 8 and 1. So we go across the 8 counts for that step. So, going forward with the wizards, section 1. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Section 2, starting with the quarter turn to the left. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 3, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So both restarts will happen after 8 counts on walls 3 and 6, both of which will start at the back wall. So we'll be starting facing 6 o'clock. We're going to do 8 counts, which will bring us to that half pivot, and then we restart from there. So the restarts, starting with the right, is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Restart with the wizard on the right, and then we continue on without any restarts. You'll finish the dance naturally facing 12 o'clock as the music comes to a close. So I hope you enjoy this dance.